Have you ever wondered how companies create those amazing animated logos that instantly grab your attention? You know the ones. A logo that transforms from a simple image into a stunning cinematic animation that looks like it was created by a professional motion graphics designer. What if I told you that you can create animations like these in just a few minutes, absolutely free? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google's latest AI video generation tool to transform an ordinary logo into eye-catching animated logo reveals that look incredibly professional. I'll also share several powerful AI prompts that can generate completely different animation styles from the same logo image. These prompts are available for you to download using the link in the description below. Let's get started. Here are some of the logo animation styles we're going to create using AI. You'll see cinematic logo reveals, neon glowing logo animations, fire and smoke logo effects, luxury golden logo reveals, embroidery stitch logo animations, 3D metallic logo intros, modern glass logo effects, and several other creative styles that you can generate simply by changing the prompt. For this tutorial, I downloaded a few shop images from Google that clearly display the business name on the storefront. These work perfectly because the AI can recognize the logo and animate it creatively. The better the quality of your image, the better your final animation will look. Now let's create our first AI logo animation. Open Google Flow in your browser. Once you're inside Google Flow, click on New Project. This creates a fresh workspace where we'll generate our AI video. Next, click the plus icon. Choose Upload Media. Now select one of the logo images you downloaded earlier. Wait a few moments while the upload completes. Once the upload is complete, click Add to Prompt. Now the image becomes part of your AI prompt, allowing Google Flow to understand exactly which logo it needs to animate. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually animating every frame, we're simply going to describe the animation we want and Google's AI will create it for us. I have prepared a collection of professionally written prompts that produce beautiful logo animations. I'll use one of those prompts for this demonstration. Simply copy the prompt. Paste it into the prompt box inside Google Flow. The wording of your prompt makes a huge difference. A detailed prompt gives the AI much better instructions and usually produces more cinematic, polished, and professional-looking animations. Now let's configure the generation settings. Click on Video. Make sure Video Generation is selected. Keep Ingredients enabled because this helps Google Flow preserve the important details from the uploaded image. Next, choose the aspect ratio. If you're creating YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos, choose 9:16. If you're creating YouTube videos like this one, business presentations, websites, or logo intros, choose 16:9. For this tutorial, I'll choose 16:9. Now let's choose the AI model. Select Omni Flash. This model is incredibly fast while still producing excellent quality animations. Next, choose the duration. You can choose anywhere from 4 seconds up to 10 seconds. For most logo reveals, 6 seconds is the perfect balance. It's long enough to create a dramatic reveal without feeling slow. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. Now Google's AI begins generating the animation. Depending on your internet connection and server load, this usually takes a short amount of time. While the video is generating, it's worth mentioning that AI doesn't always produce exactly the same result. Even when using the same prompt, you'll often receive a different animation each time. That's actually one of the biggest advantages of AI. Every generation is unique. If the first version isn't exactly what you imagined, simply generate another one. Sometimes the second or third version turns out even better than the first. Now our video is ready. Let's preview the animation. Look at how smooth the movement is. Notice the lighting effects, the cinematic camera movement, the realistic transitions, the professional quality. And remember, we created this in just a few minutes without editing a single keyframe. That's the power of AI. If you're happy with the result, click the three-dot menu. Choose Download, then select Upscale to 1080 pixels. This gives you a higher resolution version that's perfect for YouTube videos, websites, presentations, client projects, and social media. Now let's try another prompt. This one creates an embroidery stitch logo reveal. Instead of a cinematic animation, the AI makes it appear as though colorful threads are stitching the logo together in real time. It's a completely different visual style created from the exact same image. This demonstrates why experimenting with prompts is so important. One logo can generate dozens of completely different animation styles. Imagine offering this as a service on freelance websites. A small business owner could provide you with a logo. You could generate 5 or 10 completely different animation concepts within minutes. The client chooses the one they like most. No complicated software, no motion graphics experience, just creative prompting and AI. That's why AI is changing the creative industry so quickly. Whether you're a YouTuber, freelancer, entrepreneur, marketing agency, or business owner, tools like Google Flow can dramatically reduce the time required to create professional branding content. As you continue experimenting, try changing words in your prompt. Replace cinematic with futuristic. Replace luxury with premium. Replace glowing with crystal. Replace metallic with chrome. Add dramatic lighting. Add slow-motion camera movement. Add particles. Add smoke. Add sparks. Add reflections. Add depth of field. Small prompt changes often create completely different visual results. The more you experiment, the better your animations become. I've already created a collection of high-quality AI prompts to help you get started faster. You'll find the download link in the description below. I highly recommend trying every prompt because each one creates a unique logo reveal style. Before we finish today's tutorial, I want to share another valuable resource with you. If you're interested in making money using artificial intelligence, an ebook called Make Money with AI. Inside this guide, you'll discover multiple AI side hustles that beginners can start with little or no investment. You'll learn practical ways people are using AI tools to create digital products, offer freelance services, generate content, automate business tasks, and build additional income streams. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or someone looking for extra income, this ebook is packed with ideas that can help you get started. You'll find the link to download the ebook in the description below. If you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, AI video generation tips, AI business ideas, and the latest tools that can save you time and help you create amazing content. Also, let me know in the comments which logo animation style was your favorite and what AI tutorial you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.